For review question 2, express 7x minus 2x squared plus 5 in the form x minus a bracket square plus b. So again, when they want us to express it in this form, meaning question wants us to complete the square for the quadratic equation. So for quadratic equation, in this case, we must first arrange it in x square, x and numbers, which is minus 2x squared plus 7x plus 5. And taking a look at the coefficient of x squared over here, coefficient of x squared is -2. Therefore, we need to factorize out -2 first, so as to make sure that the coefficient of x squared is equals to 1 before we start completing the square over here. All right, everything else I'll divide by -2. So from here, I can start to complete the square for this quadratic portion here. All right, so same thing. First two terms, I will copy down. And as for the third term, I will add half of the second term, which is 7/4, not forgetting to square it. And then I will minus this term away again, so as not to change the question. And this minus 5/2, I will copy it back down. So I'll put this in a big box bracket. All right. Okay, so from here, same thing, -2. For the first three terms, I will factorize it. I'll get x minus 7/4 bracket square. Remember, first term copy down, third term copy down, okay? And the sign, I will always follow the first one. And for the second part, for the last two term over here, I will just press my calculator and I'll get a -89/16. All right, so not forgetting, there is a -2 outside the big bracket. I will have to remove this big bracket by multiplying it into the first term and into the second term. Okay, so when I multiply a -2 in, I'll get -2x minus 7/4 bracket square for the first part. And for the second part is -2 times -89/16, which I will get a +89/8.